Okay. So
Once
yeah,
we
so
start.
I'm streaming right now. So let's check the audio.
Music.
Oh shit, I don't even have
Um,
the music on.
I'm gonna put the timer. Like cuánto? Just so I know what the timer hits, I'll let you know, and then we'll wrap it up as fast as we can.
Well, I'm
Okay,
on
last
right now,
timer.
so check audio, at least the voices and stuff.
Okay. 20. Bueno, ¿cuánto dices?
20 minutes, yeah. Let's
20.
let's try to stay under 30 minutes.
Okay. Oh, cool. That's a cool. Did you do that shit?
Do what?
You did the thumbnail?
Yeah.
Okay. Audio's good, but there's no music.
Yeah, I'm putting the music on right now. There. How's the music? Is it too high, too low? Is it like over my voice? Doing radio voice. No? Mic check, mic check.
Maybe like lower it a little bit.
The music?
Yeah.
There, I lowered it a bit more. What do we got now?
But hold on, because it's like 5 seconds. Yeah, good.
Good? What about your voice? Can you hear yourself?
Yeah, I can hear myself, but hold on, let me see how loud is the voice when we're not talking. Yeah, that's good.
Cool. Let me just do one more thing. Let me do the pop-up chart thing.
Go ahead.
No, I'm doing it right now as we speak. Hold on. There you go. Cool. Alright. I'm just gonna start it. The countdown is still like 9 minutes, but I'm just gonna start it.
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Now, once we have everything set, we can just start it.
Yeah. Alright. I forgot how to do this. There's this one. Alright. Welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. We are your host. My name is Eric.
And I'm Lalo.
So what you think? How you feel about the market going on right now?
What's that?
I said, how do you feel about the market right now?
Well, according to this?
Huh? To anything.
According
like what you're hearing in I guess Twitter or Google Trends, the news.
Well, I mean, most of it is just Bitcoin price keeps on rising. It's like, it just keeps going up by thousands. It's like from now it's 41, 42, 43, 44. It reached 44, right?
Yeah.
Recently, like this week. So, I mean, it's good for like the overall market in general.
Yeah.
Just because like smaller projects, smaller coins, they get better. Solana's getting better. Projects like Star Atlas, which we both like, is getting much better. So,
Oh yeah.
So I mean, it's good. It's good right now while while Bitcoin's still going up until something else might happen. But
all right. So we're going with the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. There it is. So we're still greedy, you guys. So taking out loans, putting everything you have, not a good idea, especially when the market is really greedy. It's not the best time to start putting a lot of money into the market. You could make money, but it's not the best time to start doing it. Not financial advice, of course. And then you guys have 128 days, 21 hours, and 53 minutes before the Bitcoin halving. So get on it. Start dollar cost averaging. Every paycheck, put 1% of your income, 5% of your income, 10%.
$10, $5 a week, even.
Something.
It's like a burger or a coffee.
Yeah. Skip on your coffee. You don't need it. Just buy Bitcoin every day instead of buying coffee.
Wow. That's a really good investment, actually.
All right. So, this is what I'm predicting. I guess in the near term, I'm expecting a crash. This is what I'm expecting, and this is why. So, wrong chart. This chart. Let me delete this. Hold on, let me close that so you guys can see better. All right. So, over here was a major resistance. As you can see, like around this zone right here, stopped right here. Let me get my brush. Where is it? So right here. Oh, that's red. Let me do. Is white easier to see?
Yeah, white's way easier to see, actually.
Okay. So we have right there. So we have like a lot of history where this line was used. A lot of history. Right? So this is a very important line of resistance. So we're gonna get there. So it's kind of like pool. You know, you hit the ball. When it hits the side of the wall, it'll usually bounce in the other direction. So on top of this important resistance line, we also have the Fibonacci level, the 0.618. So as you can see, it's pretty close to this resistance line. They're pretty close. I could try to make it more accurate like that, and there you go. It layers it. If you wanna do the candlestick instead of the wicks, you do the full body, and it's more accurate. So this is gonna be a very 48,000 maximum, like 50,000 is gonna be a very important level, and we might hit that and then go the opposite way. So how far do I expect this crash if it does happen, right? It's all probabilities. It's not exact. So a major support level was here at 30,000. So I put a line here. As you could see, we touched in different spots, right? So the 30,000 level, probably 30,000, because it's like a big round number, big psychological number. We could probably see a retracement to that level. And also, if we do the Fibonacci level from your bottom to, let's say we stop at this resistance level at 47, or we could even do this one at 50, you can see that it lines up with this line. So it's a very high chance that we could see Bitcoin drop down to 30,000 again.
Man, that is a lot.
Yeah.
That's almost half. That's almost half of where it's at right now.
Yeah.
I mean, that could mess up the market.
Yeah. So we'll see where we go from there, but that's what I'm predicting. A $30,000 Bitcoin. It might happen in January. We don't know, because there's a lot of hype right now with the ETF going on, and it should happen around January to see if they're gonna approve it or not. By then, all the ETF hype is gonna die down, so people might start selling off Bitcoin if that happens. So we'll see. Is there anything you want me to look at? Or are you good?
Maybe Solana. Just a
Solana?
quick look. We got Solana or Polis.
Where's my Solana at? Right here. Alright, let me clear it out. Remove drawings.
I think you have like the 1, 3, 5, and 7 minute indicators.
Yeah.
Damn. 15 minutes, 21. Damn.
Alright, so if we do the Fibonacci level, we still have room to go. It's 156, and it might bounce back again. So we still have that. And then for support, we have that line. Let me change it to green, because where I'm in the daily chart. So yeah, this is where it's struggling right now, at this resistance level, at like around $80.
Yeah, $80.
Like about $80. Is where it's gonna struggle for a bit. So let's say if it topped out right there, if that was our top, and it starts to retrace again, we could probably see Solana around $30.
Wow. And to think it was only $7.
Yeah.
At the beginning of the year.
Yeah. Yep. And then we have support right here and support right here and right here. So we have a little bit of confluence. So we could probably see Solana at $30 again. That's if it can't pass $80 and it starts to come back down again. We could expect a $30 Solana again, and that would be probably one of the best times to start buying Solana. Not financial advice, but $30 I think might be the lowest we'll ever see Solana again. If the whole hype stays on, right?
Dependent on Bitcoin.
Depending on Bitcoin and all of that, but we'll see. But yeah, that's my guess. Is the lowest Solana will ever go again is $30 in this cycle. Once the whole bear market starts again, I'm gonna have to see from then to analyze the new data. But as of right now, $30 seems to be the lowest. Star Atlas Polis.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Oh man, I got a mess in this one.
Oh, because we were doing the chart yesterday.
Yeah, I got a big mess here. Okay. Let me just clear this whole thing out. This is a big mess. Okay. So if we do Fibonacci retracement from up here all the way to the bottom, it'll be a $4 Polis for the Fibonacci on the very long term.
Right.
So let's see, where are we at?
62 cents.
So we have this support or this resistance right here. Yeah, so right here was support, and then it turned into resistance. Yep, it turned, you see? And right now it looks like we got above it, and we're gonna retest it. So if this candle could close above this green candle, it's gonna look really bullish. We might have some potential to for the next level to be up here. Yeah, so we might see a 120% gain. So you would double your money if you go in on Polis now. You might double your money with Polis, but this candle needs to close above this green line for it to happen. So we'll see. Right now it's at a big uptrend, so I can't really analyze it all that well.
Okay.
But I'm seeing this other pattern right now. I guess if it comes down, it could potentially be a cup and handle. Potentially.
Okay, I see. Yeah.
We would need it. I guess if this is the top, we'll use a Fibonacci level. Yeah. We could potentially see something like, where's that thing at? Kind of like this. Let's see where this would take us. Oh, that's gonna be massive.
Yeah.
It would be up here. Hey, look at that. Look at that, next to the Fibonacci level. Pretty close to it. $4.
$4, dude.
Yeah. And notice how it's close to the Fibonacci level?
Yeah. I just saw it right now.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's, like I said, we haven't formed the handle yet. And for the handle to form, it needs to drop all the way down to this Fibonacci level. So you know how I'm predicting a drop in Bitcoin, right?
Yeah.
So check this out.
Okay, for a second.
Oh man, I didn't record anything.
What?
Fluffy, will it drop more? Greg Davis, will it dip? So I'm guessing it's gonna drop to 30,000 for Bitcoin. Sorry you guys, I wasn't showing the chart or anything like that. So for Bitcoin, where's it at? So this is what I'm predicting for Bitcoin. I'm predicting a 30 to drop after it reaches 50K. There's a high probability that it might drop down to 30K. Is what I'm predicting.
For Bitcoin?
Yeah, no, it's because we got a chat, 2 of them. It says why dip? Because a big factor would be the ETF. So yeah, like right now that's the biggest hype, and once that happens, the hype will die down, and we're gonna get a retracement because the hype dies down, but it's still like a lot of movement going on. We're still at an uptrend, so it would be good. We'll still be good if it drops that low. And I'm kind of sad about I didn't record the polis when I was in the normal screen.
Oh,
I think I
okay,
should just leave it like this and stop changing it. All right. And here's another one. You got Jim Cramer saying it. Buy Bitcoin. Sort of.
Oh, no.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Booyah, my friend. What's happening?
Oh, not much, sir. I'm calling about a company here in Texas. Their numbers look extremely solid across the board. In addition, they've lowered debt while buying back shares.
Oh, hold on. It was, where was it?
Their footprint. However, the stock is down 30%.
Where's it at? Where's it at?
And seems undervalued. What are your thoughts on ASO?
Is this, people disregard this as a
Where was this thing?
warranties, and I want to see the court.
Oh, fine, thanks. My question for you is, what are your thoughts on Grab Holdings Limited?
I had it here somewhere.
I was thinking maybe.
But yeah, we got here in the comments saying
No, the company's losing too much money. Hard pass.
Says thank you, Jim. Been waiting for him to say anything remotely positive about Bitcoin, and it's time to sell. And this was 2 weeks ago.
I'm doing good, Rick. How about you?
Good. I just
So yeah, if you use the Jim Cramer indicator, and every time he tells you to buy, you sell, and every time he tells you to sell, you buy.
Bye. Yep.
Oh, and then we got this article about the Bitcoin dominance threats to likely top. So we got this article also saying that we might see lower numbers. Oh, also, there's something I didn't cover here. there's this thing called the bearish divergence. So let me go to the 4-hour. So usually on your oscillators, when the momentum is going down while your candles are going up, that's usually an indication that the market's gonna come down. Either come down or just stay sideways. One of those two. Either come down or stay sideways. And you can see where we went all the way to 39 just now. Yeah. This just happened 30 minutes ago. We went all the way down to 39.
From what?
From 43,000. We like 30 minutes ago we just dropped to 39K.
And then back up.
Yeah. No, yeah, I think we're gonna crash, dude.
Oh shit. Well, if we do, then we're gonna see what happens to Solana.
So yeah.
And to Star Atlas.
Yeah. So I'm hoping I'm hoping, cause I'm trying to buy more.
Really? Like Bitcoin or?
The main thing I want to accumulate right now is Solana. That's my main objective right now. I want to have at least minimum 200 coins. So yeah, so this guy's also saying that it's gonna drop, and he's giving out these charts as well. I wanted to cover this one briefly. So they're rewarding hackers. So what do you think about that? Like they call them the white hat hackers.
Well, I mean, it depends on what they do, right? I mean,
so they find vulnerabilities in the projects, and then they hack them, and then they return a portion of the money back. So they're saying they're incentivizing bad behavior and stuff like that.
I mean, not really, because it must be really hard to do. And plus, when you do this, then assuming it's a good project, then they're gonna want to better their securities. Yeah. Once you're not being able to hack, if you're not hacked, then it's more of a reliable project.
Yeah.
More less likely to be a scam, or used to be a scam.
Yeah, like I said, might as well get rid of the bugs while it's still early, instead of I guess 10 years down the road, and then they find glitches and all of this stuff.
Yeah.
Might as well get rid of it now.
Everything is settled, and then the government can use that as oh look, see, it was always a risk. It's used for scamming people, blah 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 blah. So it can definitely be used against the community.
And then we got this one: 47% of Nigerians engage in crypto-related activities.
I mean, that's really good, dude.
So yeah, so this is showing like a good, cause they also talk about inflation right here. I forgot to highlight it.
Jesus Christ, they grew up by 15%. Yeah, like the analysis showed. Yep, right there.
Yeah, the analysis also showed that crypto ownership in the country grew by 15% by the year 2020 and 2023.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. Where at?
We know cryptocurrencies, they're no longer seen speculative as assets.
Oh yeah.
The one written in black. Yep. Okay, so and that paragraph above. Yep, right there. That shit. We just passed it. Yep. The analysis showed that crypto ownership
grew by 50%. No, but they were also talking about that they had that country. Here it is, rising inflation. So I guess that's one of the main reasons that they're buying Bitcoin and USDT. I got this one that I found, which is pretty cool. So you could become a citizen in El Salvador if you have $1 million worth of Bitcoin and USDT. You become a citizen. You could I think they're doing, what was it, 1,000 participants annually. Yeah, so they only accept 1,000 participants a year. But you could, if you have your I guess your Bitcoin, and you could prove that you have like $1 million worth of Bitcoin and USDT, you could apply to become a citizen in El Salvador, and they're only gonna be accepting 1,000 participants a year. But that's all you need to become a citizen.
A million.
Yeah.
$1 million bucks.
Yeah. So pretty much what that's doing is they're bringing like rich people into the country, and they could bring the country up because there's gonna be more investors to bring good projects and businesses to that country. So El Salvador's looking really good, dude. What they're doing. Bitcoin friendly country.
Oh, but by the way, we reached the 20-minute cap, Eric.
Yeah. All right, let me just talk about this gaming thing. Amazon Prime is giving up free NFTs. We talked about this game before. The Champion Ascensions.
But the fact that anybody that has Prime,
yeah,
can get NFTs. Wow, that's a lot of people. I should definitely put that in the Twitter.
Yeah. So get your free NFTs if you have Amazon Prime.
You got Prime. You got Amazon Prime. You get your free NFT. That's fucking cool. Dude.
All right, so let's just go to the portfolio then. I didn't get to your thing.
It's all good. We can cover it some other time.
So I'm at 3,800. And where are you at? 3,100.
$133 lost on mine.
Yeah.
Bitcoin.
So what do you want to get on right now?
Solana. Let's go Solana.
Solana.
All of it.
All of it on Solana.
Yeah.
And I'm going to
No. Actually, we'll do 50 Solana and 20 on the Harry Potter Sonic.
The Harry Potter Obama Sonic?
The Harry Potter Obama Sonic.
Meme coin? Alright, I'm gonna do meme coin too then. I'm gonna do all of it on Bitcoin 2.0.
Oh, no.
All 70.
Damn.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna wrap it here for today.
Alright, guys, have a good night and a good week.
Alright. Oh shit.